starting with numerical number 9. This is unsolved numerical in SI units. The differential equation of a simple harmonic motion is given as d square x upon dt square, which is equal to minus 36x. Find its frequency, that is n, and time period, that is capital T. Now we have studied differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion, that is d square x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. This is general differential equation. We will have to convert this equation in this format. So let's convert d square x upon dt square. We'll take this minus 36x in on left hand side. So this becomes plus 36x, which is equal to 0. Now compare this to, here you have d square x upon dt square, even here you have the same thing, plus then x you have at place of omega square, it is 36. So omega square is equal to 36. So omega is nothing but square root of 36, which is omega is equal to 6 radian per second. This is the unit of omega. Now why we have calculated this omega? We need frequency. So the formula for frequency is omega is equal to 2 by n. From here we will get frequency, that is, okay, let n be over here, omega upon 2 pi. The value of omega, that is obtained 6, 2. Value of pi is 3.142, which is equal to n. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Now you can apply log. We'll begin with anti-log, and log of 3.142 is in denominator, so minus log of 3.142, which is equal to n. Now you have just one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 point. You look for the log of 3. Now you don't have 3 in the logbook table. This is logarithmic tangent. We'll look for logarithmic. Yes. Here it starts with 10. So you'll go for 30, and in that you will look for the column of 0, that is 4771. So 4771 minus, again before point you have one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0 point. You look for the log of 31, 4, 2. 31 ka 4 ka 2. So this is 31. In that the column of 4, this is that column of 4, and mean difference 2. So it is 4969 plus 3. So 69 plus 3 will give you 70, 71, 72. So 4972. You have added 4969 with 3. That is equal to n. Now you will subtract these two digits, 0.4771 minus 0.4972. Borrow. 11 minus 2 will give you 9. Then this becomes 6. 16 minus 7 will again give you 9. This becomes 3. 16 minus 9. Sorry. No, right. 16 minus 9 will give you 7. 3 minus 4 cannot be done. So we will borrow from 0. So if you see in the number line, after 0 when you check, not after 0, when before 0 you will check, you have minus 1. So this 0 becomes minus 1 and this 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 will again give you 9. So minus 1 minus 0 is nothing but minus 1, that you will write as bar 1. So here you will calculate anti-log of bar 1.9799, that is equal to n. When you calculate anti-log, you will see the number after point. So 97 ka 9 ka 9. Here it is anti-log. 97 ka, this is 9, and mean difference also you have 9. This is for 9 and this is for 9. So 97 का 9 का 9. ये this is 97. इसमें यहाँ 9 check करेंगे और यहाँ 9 check करेंगे. It is 9528 plus 20. So this becomes 9548. 9548. After one digit you will put point into 10 raised to whatever number you have before point, that is minus 1. So if you apply minus 1, this becomes, you'll take the number, you'll take the, or you'll shift the point towards left hand side, because you have already you have -1 present, so this becomes 0.9548 hertz is the symbol for, or is the unit for frequency. So you have frequency. Now frequency and time period are inversely proportional, so you can write frequency is equal to 1 upon t, or you can also write t is equal to 1 upon n. So 1 upon, what is n? N is 0.9548. 0.9548. So in this case you can look for the reciprocal because it is 1 upon. So again you will use your logbook and go to reciprocal part. Square roots, squares. Yes, here it is. Yes, reciprocals of 4-figure numbers. So here we have digit that is 0.9. So let's check whether we have 0.9. No, our reciprocal begins from 1.0. We don't have 0.9. So we can do one thing, we can shift the point. We can shift the point, or we can use this value. So I'll write 9.548 into 10 raised to minus 1. I'll use this value, that is 9.548 into 10 raised to minus 1. So in the reciprocal part we'll look for 9.5 ka 4 ka 8. Check for 9.5. Here you have 9.5 ka 4. Gira, and then it is 8. Here you have point in the beginning, that means point is applied to the every number present over here from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9 point is applied to the every number present. It is 0.1052, 0.1050, 0.1059. So we are checking for 9.5 ka 4 and then 8. So for 9.5 ka 4 is this, and 8 in the mean difference, and they have written you will subtract mean difference. So let's check what we have. 1. So 1048 minus 1 will give you 1047. So you'll write 1047. You have the reciprocal of this digit. 10 raised to minus 1, when you'll take in the numerator, it will become 10 raised to positive 1. And what I have told you about the number, every number has point ahead of it, means point is over here. So even in this case, we will write point over here because it was 0.1048 and then 1. So we have subtracted 1 from here. So now it is 0.1047. So you can write 0.1047 into 10 raised to 1. When you'll shift the point towards right hand side, it will become 1.047 seconds. So this is the time period and this is the frequency. Both of them are calculated.